What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is my Ross and Marshalls haul. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. I enjoyed finding these cute little pieces. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a Ross. I absolutely love these stores, you guys. I love Ross so much. Oh my goodness. The pieces that you can find for half the price it just blows my mind. But I'm gonna start off with this everybody calls it a shacket, so, or jacket, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna call it a shacket. It's their shirt jacket, if you don't know what that means. I got a size medium, and this was $17.99. And I realized all the tones that I have in my closet and stuff are all like beigey, like really light tones, and I wanted something to still have that, you know, browns and stuff, but I want it to pop where I can wear a neutral shirt under and stuff. So this is the jacket that I got. I'll go ahead and try it on for you guys real quick. I did find another one the other day when I went, but they didn't have my size. So yeah, it's almost a little oversized, but not too baggy or just oversized or whatever, just a tad bit oversized. This is a medium, like I said. It has these black buttons on it, and I just love the color of the brown. It's such a fall and just autumn color, and I feel like I can wear a whole bunch of different like colors and stuff, like kind of play around with it and everything. But definitely a neutrals vibe of this jacket. And it's not itchy or anything like that. And for the price point, you guys, I was like, yes, I need to have it. It's super cute. So I'm definitely going to be wearing a lot of these this coming up fall and winter and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. I can't wait to wear this jacket. Next thing that I found was these biker shorts. Are you guys still loving the biker shorts? Because I absolutely am. I found these white ones. I already had a pair of white biker shorts, but I got them dirty at the bottom part, and so yeah, once I seen these, I really liked the hem on the bottom. It's pretty thick band at the bottom. They're super comfy, stretchy. I got a small medium. This is the Soho Apparel, and this was actually on clearance for $2.99. So I definitely had to pick up a pair. I think last time I went to Ross, they were like $6. So once I found it on clearance, I was like, you know, let me just go ahead and snatch this one up and just have it part of my collection and throw my old ones out. So next thing I got was for my son. You guys, I love shopping at like Ross, Marshalls, Burlington, like all those stores that you can find really good, not expensive pieces at those stores. And this whole outfit right here, this is the size 3T, and it was $7.99, and it comes with like the little joggers and stuff. So it's a cute little hoodie. Like, how cute is this? He's gonna look so cute in this. Oh, I can't wait to put him. I can't wait to have him wear it. But yeah, so they have a whole bunch of like pieces like that, or even name brand. They had Nike and stuff there for like 20 bucks. So I'm just trying to get outfits for him because he is growing, and once it starts getting chilly, I kind of want to be already prepared for him to have clothes for either the morning or nighttime when it does start getting chilly here. And then the next thing I did find at Ross was a Blippi. So if you guys have kids and stuff and they're into Blippi, check out Ross, because I found I'll insert an image because Blippi is downstairs. I did find a stuffed Blippi, I guess, and he talks. So he presses his tummy and he talks, and it was only $10, you guys. Only 10 bucks. So when I looked I looked to see the actual price of that Blippi, and he was like $19 at Target. So if you can find it at Ross and your kid is loving Blippi, then head to your Ross to see if they have it. But yeah, my son, he loves it. He says Blippi, so super cute. And then lastly, I have 2 items left. So you guys, this haul isn't that long. Oh my gosh, I forgot one thing. Also at Ross, I found these cute like combat boots and stuff. Like, they are such a vibe. These were, so I have the price tag on it. These were $24.99. Let me see if it has a brand name on there. Jelly Pop is the brand. Never heard of it, but when I seen it and I seen that they had my size, I just had to get them because I was like, wait, I have my Nikes, like my Forces and stuff, but I was like, okay, I need something really cute that I'm gonna wear for the fall time. So these were perfect. These are such a vibe, such my vibe. I just love me some neutrals and stuff, so had to cop these. So if you see these at your Ross and you're a neutrals girl, then definitely cop these because these are so cute. Plus they zip on the side, so all you have to do is tie it up one time, and then girl, all you gotta do is zip it and then you're good to go. So yeah, love this purchase that I made. Okay, now lastly is the last 2 items that I found at Marshall's. So if you guys are into cozy, comfy, just loungewear and just being at home in your PJs and you just want to be comfortable, okay? This to me is almost the dupe for the from Skims. I find a lot of stuff that are almost like dupes and stuff, and this one is super duper comfortable, and it's the Sincerely Jules brand. That is the name of it. This was $14.99. I got a size medium. I'll go ahead and stand up. I got a size medium. It has the pocket in the front, so it's a whole big pocket in the front. And I got a medium because I wanted the sleeves to be oversized, so it kind of goes like where my knuckles are and stuff. I only wish the crew, like the top of the neck was a little bit tighter, but it's a little bit looser, so it's kind of baggy right here. But could you imagine if it was like more tight around the neck? But anyways, this is super comfy. So that was $14.99. And then I found the pants. I don't know, should I stand up on the chair? Oh my gosh. Okay, I found the pants to go with the top, and it has a drawstring, which I absolutely love. It makes the booty look nice, and they are a bell bottom fit at the bottom, same material, and they are so comfy, you guys. And these are $14.99 as well. So yeah, definitely head to your Marshalls if you love these types of fabrics, because I already have one pair of pants that are like this. The color is a little bit off, but when I bought those a few months ago, they didn't have the matching top, and I always complain about trying to find a matching top to go with it. And so I ended up finding this set, so definitely had to buy it. And then from Misguided, I don't think they have it anymore on their page, but I had bought biker shorts, and it came with it has the top too, like a crop top. So those were dupes as well for the Skims. Hopefully in the future I can review Skims for you guys and let you know, like, do you really need these? Or can you head to your local Marshalls and cop you some of these comfy pants and stuff and still get the same coziness and stuff. So yeah, that's all the items that I bought from Ross and Marshalls. It was funny going to Marshalls. The lady was like, oh, I recognize you. Well, I recognize your baby because obviously I'm wearing a mask and stuff. But she's like, I recognize that beautiful baby boy and stuff. I was like, yeah, I kind of come here almost like once a week. How embarrassing. But yeah, I go there almost like once a week just to see what they have and stuff, what's new. And then I'm trying to do hauls for you guys and stuff. So yeah, I'm just trying to do the hauls for you guys because I enjoy watching shop with me's and just hauls and clothing hauls and all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you are, please give this video a like. Comment something down below what you are enjoying. Comment something down below. What was your favorite item that I bought, and are you gonna head to your local Ross or Marshalls? Let me know what you find. If you do, go to those stores. So I hope to see you guys on the next video. Before you head out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am almost to 1,000, you guys, and that is on my list to hit 1,000 in September. So we have a few more people, so be sure to subscribe. Like, why? Okay. Okay. Why do we keep doing this in this video? Oh my gosh. So be sure you subscribe. I have a few more peoples to hit 1,000. Once I do, I have some goodies that I would like to give away. To one lucky winner for my giveaway. So I'll have deets later on. I have a few people that did enter a giveaway in my past few videos, so you guys are still entered to, you know, win some makeup and some goodies and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul video. I truly do enjoy making these videos for you guys, but I will see you guys on the next one.